Hi guys, welcome to your Hydra Bright Hyaluronic Serum. Yes, you heard me right. Hyaluronic Serum infused unisex face wash application technique. To start, let's take a couple of pumps of this face wash into our palm. With damp hands, lather it up gently. Apply it onto your face in a tapping, slapping technique like this. Follow along, guys. Don't forget your neck. And your eyes. Tap along, breaking any puffiness. 3 circles. Brilliant, looking good. Now with the flats of your knuckles, take your thumbs, push any loose skin back and do a cardio circular massage along your jawline 2 times. Remember, this is a skin level massage, so be very gentle with the pressure, no firm pressure here. Change the direction of your knuckles, elbows up and give a circular massage to your cheek. Looking good. Let's do the same onto the forehead, this time in semicircles. Follow along. Brilliant. Give a circular temple massage and drain. This will also give you a chance to give your neck a circular massage like this. Always tuck onto the collarbone. Let's depuff that morning puffiness by taking your index finger and your middle finger on the sides of your nose and giving it a circular massage. 3 circles clockwise, 3 circles anti-clockwise. It feels so good. Now it's time for your final step, your eye cleanse or your eye cleaning. Take your index finger and your middle finger on the inner corner. With your index finger, give yourself a depuffing circular massage 3 times. 1, 2, 3. At this point, my signature swipe, lift, drain. Swipe, lift, drain. Time to wash your face. Pat it dry. Spritz the next step of your skincare. Your toner, remember every time you wash your face, using a toner is essential depending on your skin type. And you're ready to lather on some moisturizer now or face oil. Happy pampering!